So we are here at Blue Springs, about to go to the kayak rental and see what we can do. Ready to go. I don't know if it's an alligator. Keep him there. Ready to have some fun today?
I'm ready to just get out.
Ready to get out. Chloe, ready to have some fun today? Get out?
Sure.
Get a little exercise along with a nice scenic road.
Say route or road?
Row your boat.
Except you're not going to be in a boat.
Yeah, we're going to be something like a boat. Going kayaking. Kayaking.
So we've done this before with canoes. I learned my lesson because last time I was with 2 other people. Neither knew what they were doing. And I come back the next day so sore that I didn't want to move. So I'm going by myself today.
Hopefully I can do the same. Because I ain't trying to say no name, but I'm not carrying no dead weight.
I have to work tomorrow. So, and I have to go my truck today. So I definitely can't be sore.
But yeah, we're heading to Blue Springs. Been there, like I said, a few times. More than a couple. We've been there a lot in the past.
I'm just saying we've only once, right?
Yeah, we've only actually gone down the river once. But it's got a nice swimming section where you can actually swim over the boil. And if you're certified for scuba, you can actually go and dive down in the boil.
What is the
and check it out. The boil is where all the water comes out of the spring out of the ground, and it's what feeds the spring and keeps it 70 degrees year round. Cold water.
Very cold water. I don't like being in it.
But St. John's River is made up of multiple springs that pump water to it. And that's the river that we're actually be going on. We'll be doing a little bit of Blue Springs. We'll be actually exit from Blue Springs to get out from the St. Johns River, and we do some rowing. St. Johns River is not the only river, but it's one river that flows north in the U.S. I know there's one in Mississippi that does the same, but it's the only one in Florida that flows north. It takes you up to Jacksonville, where it dumps out at the beach.
Is it alligators or crocodiles? Their tires are plastic wrapped.
We call them gators, but I'm pretty sure Florida has crocodiles. Big gator, I don't know.
Last time we had one and kind of swam along with the canoe. Oh, them are new too. They're still all wrapped.
Stay focused.
I mean, it's just white plastic. It's kind of hard to miss. No, but they had it on the rims, and I've never seen that before. Ooh, state union lines. Oh, their tires aren't wrapped though. Not like them ones were.
Okay, so she is staying focused. She is staying focused on
The wrong things.
wrong thing.
That's so pretty.
I mean, honestly, that's about all I got for the Springs trip. Hey, you enjoying the video so far? What I mean, are you enjoying the video so far? Of course you are. You wouldn't still be here if you weren't, right? Right. So do me a favor. Like, share, subscribe, right? Make sure you hit that bell icon so that way you get notified anytime I upload a brand new video. And by all means, drop comments. Let me know what you think. Let me know what's on your mind. Let me know if there's something that you want me to make a video about. It doesn't matter. Just drop a comment and let's have a conversation. I'm out. He is watching me. He's like, don't get too much closer now. Messing up my sunbathing.
What is he doing? I don't know.
He's just sunbathing. He's drying his feathers off because he was in the water.
Oh, look at the turtle. There was another one.
There was another one. He jumped in the water.
Shut up. All right, time to move.
He said the heck with it. So he said the heck with it. You are not heeding my warnings. I keep making this little noise and you ain't backing off. So jump in the water and I'm gonna be gone. But the turtle's still chilling though. He's still there, just relaxing. I probably should catch up. They always leaving me. They always leaving me. I'm the cameraman. I'm the one that got to, you know, take the shots and pictures and record everything. So they just be leaving me. I better go. I don't know if it's an alligator. Keep him there. All right, so Melissa did see a gator.
Huh?
I wasn't able to catch up in time. Gator is gone. Hopefully we'll see another one because they're all in this water. Huh? I'll be back if we do. Come on, Chloe, you can do it. Yeah, I'm recording you getting stuck over there. Come on. Yay, she broke free. I think I need to move before I get stuck though.